Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you a simple paste function, and it's called transpose. And this is useful in a number of situations, and you usually don't know until it kind of happens. So sometimes I'll have a table that's really, really large, right? It'll go off the screen, and even if I have multiple monitors, I still can't view all the field headings or all the column names. So what I tend to do is I grab, let's say this one, or I can grab the first two where there's information, because I do work with a lot of databases. So I can actually copy these two, right? Go copy. And then when I go here, I can right click. And if it's just static, as in there's no formula in there, you can hit this button right here, transpose, and it'll paste straight away. If there's a formula, your formula will again be relative to where the formula is in terms of let me say that again. Your formulas are going to be in new positions. And so the relative position may get a bit buggy. So what you can do is, if that's going to be an issue, go paste special, and you can go values. So that gets rid of the formulas, and then you're going to do transpose, right? And that does the same thing, except it gets rid of the formulas, right? And that's basically it. And then viewing vertically, it's much easier for me to view the contents of a database because I can see it like so. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.